Amazing website that you should know, Part 5. If you go to this website is an interactive, beginner-friendly platform for learning cybersecurity through hands-on exercises, labs, and guided training paths. It offers a gamified experience with virtual rooms, challenges, and real-world scenarios to help users develop practical skills in hacking, defense, and IT security. Key features: 1. Beginner-friendly, no prior experience needed, starts with basics. 2. Hands-on labs, practice hacking and defense in a safe, legal environment. 3. Structured learning paths, courses on ethical hacking, penetration testing, and more. 4. Certifications, complete paths to earn certificates, e.g., pre-security, junior pen tester. 5. Community and gamification, earn points, join teams, and compete on leaderboards. Grab your keyboard at your magic wand and dive in. If you like this video, please like, share, and follow for more.